Good morning, class 11th. Welcome back to your English tutorial. Today is 4th November and we are going to do a new chapter from your textbook Snapshots. And the chapter is Mother's Day by J.B. Priestley. Dear students, now firstly tell me, कितना प्यार करते हो आप अपनी मम्मा से? You can't define. Obviously no one can define, right? But this Mother's Day concept is not new to you, right? एक दिन का ओकेजन होता है, एक दिन का सेलिब्रेशन होता है. यू यूज टू पोस्ट मैनी पिक्स ऑन FB, ऑन इंस्टा, इजंट इट? और उसके बाद वी ऑल फॉरगेट, राइट? फिर हमें याद ही नहीं रहता कि हम अगर वी आर गोइंग फॉर आउटिंग, वी आर गोइंग टू वॉच अ मूवी, तो हम अपनी मदर को भी एक बार पूछ ले. वी फॉरगेट. So this chapter is the celebration of motherhood. It is a kind of reminder to those who just think that mothers are like they do nothing and they don't have any existence, right? And we people, we are busy in our life and we just forget to ask her for so many things. We just take her for granted. Okay, so let's see. First of all, I would like to tell you about the author. J.B. Priestley. He was born in September 13, 1894 in UK and he died on August 14, 1984 at Stratford-on-Avon, UK. Okay. His full name was John Byronton Priestley. He was an English novelist, playwright. Playwright means dramatist. A script writer, that means he used to write for the movies also. Social commentator and broadcaster. Social commentator मतलब वो किसी social evils जो होते थे या कोई social से related, society से related कुछ issue होता था, so he used to comment on that also. Lot of things are there to tell you about the author, but in nutshell, this is sufficient for you. Okay. Now firstly, before giving you the summary of this chapter, let's discuss the title. The author has titled this one act play. One act play हमने पहले भी किया हुआ है, the Browning version. You remember? One act play means the play, the drama which opens and ends in the same act. Okay? So this title is appropriate and it is apt, completely justified because it conveys a message. What message? The whole chapter revolves around a mother. Okay, that's why this is justified. Husbands and children must respect wives and mothers in their families. They must not order and keep them running all the time doing one work or the other. Are you getting something? हमें आपको भी याद है ना, आप सुबह उठती अपनी मदर को लेके, मम्मा ये कर दो, मम्मा मेरे कपड़े, मम्मा मेरा आयरन एंड ऑल दैट. सो in this chapter, Mrs. Pearson, with Mrs. Fitzgerald's help, succeeds in getting her spoiled children and husband right. The mother carries the day and wins over all the members of the family to her side. That's why the title is appropriate. Right, children? Now, what message it conveys? Apart from this, that the first and foremost proper appreciation of a housewife's role and responsibilities. एक हाउसवाइफ 24/7 वर्क करती है, मदर 24/7 वर्क करती है and they don't get at least appreciation. So what this play is demanding, that at least the housewives, the mothers, they should get appreciation and they should be rewarded. Those who work 8 hours a day and 40 hours a week, they treat housewife as they think that they don't do anything. और उन्हें तो कोई सैलरी भी नहीं देता है and they don't get any weekend off. Isn't it, students? आपने अपनी मम्मा को कभी रेस्ट करते हुए देखा है कि नहीं, आज मैं कोई घर का काम नहीं करूँगी संडे को and I'll be taking an off? नहीं होता ना. So the message is, please treat your mother respectfully. Husbands, they should treat their wives respectfully. They should respect their role, whatever they are playing in their houses. And they the second issue is that the reciprocity of love and gratitude. My dear students, this is very, very important that if mothers are always full of love and gratitude, right? So if she is giving you love, if she is giving you affection, care, then it is our duty, you know, कि हम भी उनको रिटर्न में वो चीज़ें दें. बिकॉज दिस वर्ल्ड इट रन्स ऑन द रूल, बेसिक रूल होता है गिव एंड टेक का. So this rule is also applicable in your mother's matter, right? So I hope the title and the messages are clear to all of you.